Today's Kikuyu saying is da yumaga muisi na murogi. That means the womb can produce a thief and a witch. Or in short, the womb can produce good or bad. So a mother can give birth to a good person and can also give birth to a bad person. Simply being born in a good family or simply being born by a good mother does not really guarantee the character of this person who was born. Does not mean that this child will be a good person in the future because their mom is good, because good character is not automatically inherited, same as bad character. So a parent may have many children and raise them in the same roof, but from the same roof, one can become an honest person and a hardworking person. Another can become dishonest and can actually cause trouble forever. And that happens a lot. This sijui kama is just in the Kikuyu community, but in most families, you'll find that there's a trouble child, always. So you may find that no matter how much the parents try to discipline this child does not change. They chose a bad path or they chose a good path. So I feel like the lesson from this saying or from this proverb is that we should not always judge the parents or the family by how some people from that family are acting, and mostly that every individual is responsible for the choices they make. So you are responsible for the choice you make. Just because your mother raised you differently or you feel like your sibling is doing better than you does not mean you have to be a bad person, because as a grown up you make your own choices. So before you judge someone by their family, by their background, by their community, remember that da yumaga muisi na murogi. And I wonder why they didn't say da yumaga mudhamaki. They just said muisi na murogi. Woo.